Have you ever wanted to just dive headfirst into the heart of Armenian culture? Well, today, we are doing exactly that. We're heading straight to the marketplace. Think of this as your personal crash course in shopping like a local, so you can go from just looking around to confidently haggling in no time. Let's frame this as a bit of a quest, shall we? By the time we're finished here, you are going to have all the tools you need to navigate any Armenian market, and trust me, walk away with some absolutely incredible finds. You ready? Let's go. All right, first things first. Before we jump into the language, let's get to know the landscape of our adventure. The incredible, bustling, vibrant Armenian market. The one word you're going to hear everywhere is shuka. And it's so much more than just a market. It's a total experience. I mean, imagine the smell of vibrant spices, the sight of unique handcrafted goods, and just the incredible energy of a community all coming together. That right there is the shuka. Okay, so every adventurer needs the right set of tools, right? And for this particular quest, your tools are words. So let's start building your essential shopping vocabulary. So here it is, your master key to shopping in Armenian. These are really the core words you'll need for just about everything, from shop to food. Now, don't stress about memorizing this entire list right this second, because we're about to zoom in on the most important terms for your shopping adventure. First up, we've got dram. This is the official currency of Armenia, and it's what you'll be using on your shopping trip. And you know what? The pronunciation is super easy. Dram. Simple as that. Next, we have arzhe. This little word means price or value. Honestly, this is your key to starting any purchase, any negotiation. It is an absolute must-know for any savvy shopper out there. All right, now that you've got your P vocabulary down, it's time to learn the magic spells. You know, the phrases that are going to help you interact with sellers and score the absolute best deals. Okay, here are the phrases that will turn you into a shopping pro. For instance, to ask the price, you'll say inch arzhe. And if you're feeling a little bold, you can ask for a discount with karelia zistal. Just take a quick look over the rest of these, and don't worry, we're going to see them in action in just a moment. So, you've got the words, you've got the phrases. Now what? Well, it's time to see them in a real-world situation. Let's walk through a little mini dialogue you might have at the shuka. So our shopper arrives, gives a friendly badav, and immediately spots something they love. They bravely walk up to the seller and ask that all-important question, inch arzhe, how much is this? And the seller replies, datang ebaitz hamuv, which basically means, yeah, it's expensive, but it's really good quality. A classic sales tactic you will find in markets all over the world, right? But hey, our shopper is prepared. They use one of our magic phrases, kareli ezesht tal, can you give me a discount? This is where the real fun of haggling begins. And success. The seller smiles and says, hajek sutun, sa ejane hima, which means, okay, for you, now it's cheaper. It just goes to show you how a simple little phrase can make all the difference. And the deal is done. Our shopper seals it with a polite shnora kalem, that's thank you, and confirms the purchase with yesk tame sa. I'll take it. A successful quest indeed. Okay, so you've seen how it's done, and now, yep, it is your turn. Let's do a quick little quiz right here to make sure these new skills really stick. First question. You've just spotted the perfect souvenir. What do you say to the seller to find out how much it costs? I'll give you a second to think. That's it. Unchargé de? Fantastic. Let's just say it one more time together to really lock it in. Unchargé de? Okay, next up, the seller gives you a price and, well, it's a little more than you were expecting to pay. How do you let them know? You got it. The shut tank E. That little word shut in there means very. Let's try it again. The shut tank E. Great job. And now for the final, and let's be honest, the most satisfying phrase of all. You've negotiated an amazing price, and you are ready to buy. What are those magic words? Exactly. Yes, keep them sighing. Wonderful. You've officially completed your training and you are ready to hit the markets. So how do you keep all this knowledge fresh in your mind? I've got a really simple tip for you. The next time you're just browsing online or window shopping, try saying the prices of things you see in Armenian. See a great deal? Say out loud, da is jane. It's a fun, super easy way to practice every single day. And that's a wrap. You are now officially equipped with the language you need to explore the amazing, incredible markets of Armenia. So I'll just leave you with this one thought. With all your new skills, what kind of treasure are you going to find on your quest?